We do use slides, that's for sure, because it's definitely a more visual way of conveying the message that we are trying to share. But the slides, it's just informative. So what happens in the rooms, the face-to-face, and again, this is a topic that is different from the engineering. We do require face-to-face time. We still value the face-to-face time a lot. We are talking about workshops where the strategy or the ideas, the concepts start to have a shape. That's where we fit in, running workshops with the client, understanding what they have at the moment, what are the goals that they would like to achieve, their customer profiles, even their employees. So we always analyze a customer from processes, people, and technology as well, because all of those three axes are part of the equation to make a successful story.